Our Indian athletes scripted history, made us all proud at the Tokyo Olympics 2020, and the nation is all set to honor those who made 1.3 billion people proud. All the Olympic medalists will be felicitated today at Delhi's Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. The ceremony will commence at 6:30 this evening. Gold medalist Neeraj Chopra, the men's hockey team, wrestler Bajrang Punia and Ravi Dahiya, along with boxer Lovlina, are all scheduled to land at the Delhi airport at 3:45 this afternoon. All athletes, including PV Sindhu and Mirabai Chanu, who already reached India last week, will be at the stadium this evening. The Sports Authority of India has asked the Delhi police to make adequate security arrangements as well for the ceremony. Let's take this across to Ashutosh Mishra. He's joining us live from Panipat. Ashutosh, good morning. You have with you Neeraj Chopra's father. He must be so very proud. We're all very proud of Neeraj as well. This evening is also going to be a big moment where we say thank you to Neeraj Chopra and to his family.
Absolutely, Akshita. And there could be, no words to explain the mood that we have seen for last 2 days here. And here, just another morning, his family members just woken up, few preparing, including parents are preparing to go to airport to receive Neeraj Chopra. In fact, his father, Satish, is joining me here in the broadcast. Ken, here you can directly ask questions to him. But first question I'll take from Mr. Satish. जो कुछ नीरज ने कामयाबी हासिल की है, उनकी कामयाबी कई सालों से चले आ रही है और कहते हैं कि जब से उन्होंने खेलना शुरू किया कभी हारे नहीं, लेकिन ये मौका परिवार के लिए, गांव के लिए अब कितना खास बन गया है और अब आगे आपकी तैयारियां क्या हैं?
देखो, ये हमारे परिवार के लिए तो बेहतर है ही, लेकिन अपने प्रदेश के लिए और अपने देश के लिए बहुत गौरव का पल है जो अपने इस भारत के लाल ने पूरा कर दिखाया है.
Akshita, you can ask a question from Mr. Satish, Neeraj's father, if you want.
Ashutosh, I just wanted to know from Neeraj Chopra's father, has it sunk in yet? क्या अभी महसूस हुआ है कि नीरज चोपड़ा को गोल्ड मिला है?
जी सर, जी नीरज को गोल्ड मिला है. पूरा गांव जश्न में डूबा हुआ है और खुशी का माहौल है. जैसे उसके आने की खबर मिली है तो सभी लोग उत्साहित हैं कि कब घर तक पहुंचेगा.
और क्या सेलिब्रेशंस का प्लान है नीरज वापस आने के लिए?
जी, सेलिब्रेशन अपने तरफ से जैसे ढोल बजता है या और मिठाइयाँ बांटी जाती हैं, हर तरह से उसका बढ़िया भव्य स्वागत किया जाएगा.
All right, thank you very much.
Akshita, let me tell you, there have been only laddus around since yesterday. Since yesterday I arrived, I can see a lot of laddus here that is being offered to everyone that is coming here, and it was non-stop dancing, mother, dadi, everyone in the family members. And of course, since parents are about to leave for the national capital to receive their, the child that made him really proud. Once he will be back, of course, we will talk to the athlete, the gold medalist of India. But for now, the family members are now preparing to leave for the Delhi and they will be going to the airport. Back to you, Akshita.
Thank you very much, Ashutosh, for getting us that ground report. Again, congratulations to Neeraj Chopra's family. There's such a proud moment for the entire nation. And he is, of course, saying, the family members saying they're all set to welcome Neeraj back with a grand welcome at his hometown.